a new video. Today I'm with Whittingham, but I assume you know Dwayne because of the first video I did. What was the topic of that video again? Yes, that I'm apartment hunting.
Yes.
Yeah, so the intro with Dwayne was already done in that video. So anyway, guys, I am actually at this apartment which is not fully complete. You know, Dwayne thought of it as a great fit for me, so I'm actually here to view it with him. But Dwayne, please elaborate on this new apartment.
No problem. As always, Chanel is looking exquisite. But let's talk about real estate, which I love as well. We're at 2 York Castle. We're in Kingston 6, right up the street off of Whittingham. We're up, just straight up, going up towards the hill after you pass Sovereign. Yes, correct. So we're not that far from Sovereign shopping, as I said. We're not that far from university, hospitals. We're not that far from Hope Pastures, Hope Zoo. So we're in a very great location for family, for singles, for adults, for kids, for everyone. This is a beautiful area to be in. This is a beautiful structure, and I can't wait to show you these apartments. You're gonna love them. I know Shaniel's gonna love them. I don't know if they're in our budget, but like I said, we're gonna show her everything that Kingston has to offer, so she can make an informed decision, and that's what I like to do. So the first thing we're gonna show is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. The structure that we're in, it's 10 units, and there's 8 2-bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 2 3-bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. Penthouses. You're gonna love them. So let's go first look at the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom and see what you think.
All right, let's get at it.
The place is under construction currently, so you're gonna hear noises. Little buzz saws from here and there, so don't mind that. Just look at the space and look at the structure. Okay? First thing I want you to notice is look at the hallway. Go look at the hallway and look at the windows that you're looking at. The first floor is 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 units on the first floor or the ground floor. Second floor, you have 4 apartments, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. Nice, beautiful. I love the windows here. Look
I was just about to say that.
What they're showing.
You know what, Dwayne, and I also like the fact that they already what should I say? Put in the screen, the mesh. Yes, the mesh.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, a lot of these apartments you have to put them in after you purchase them.
No, this developer paid a lot of attention to detail. He's a very good developer. He's known throughout the Kingston area. He knows what he's doing. I love his builds. I love the quality of his work and what he puts into it. And I just love his end products, honestly. So this is your combo living/dining area. The 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartments are say 1,200 square feet. So living, dining combo, kitchen area.
Neat.
Yeah, neat and nice. Go in there. Look at the view from your kitchen of this 2-bedroom, 2-bath.
Incredible.
Yeah, man. Look at your view from the kitchen window.
Lovely.
The hills.
Yes. And also sufficient cupboards as well.
Yeah.
I don't think I would need more cupboards than.
You would need more covers than this?
No, man. No.
Oh.
And this area
big fridge, you can put nice size fridge.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah.
Or what maybe I would do is turn this area into a pantry.
A pantry?
Yes.
Okay, moving into
And
this side.
then I would put the refrigerator right here, doing in the space that you're standing.
Right here?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
So just in case, I could want to put like some glassware, dishes, plate, you know, so forth in the cupboard.
Yeah.
I could just put like my rice and snacks, healthy snacks.
I love the backsplash, honestly. I love this backsplash. I love white personally. I love white. I love using white as a background because I love to put colorful art on my walls. So, but I love the backsplash.
Yes, that's nice.
Yeah. Yeah, man. This is a beautiful kitchen. But Chanel, come and look at your possible bedroom and bathrooms and see if you like them.
He said 2 bedrooms.
2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Okay. First, this is your laundry area off to the side right here.
Oh no.
No windows, but you can look at it. See the space.
I love the space. Spacious.
Washer, dryer.
Let's easily put in my washer and dryer right here. Yeah, man, I still have some space. Maybe I would even put in some shelves.
Definitely. All right. So this is the bathroom. First bathroom.
And even in the bathroom, when you're showering, you have a view.
Yes, every room in here has a view. Every room has a view.
They did a great job with this.
Hold on. This model is messing shit up. No.
And again, I love the lighting.
I love the windows. This is one thing I bought. I love the windows.
Indeed.
Yeah, man.
Like I have a view from every window.
Yeah, beautiful. Look at the closet. What do you think about the closet? This is not the master bedroom, but tell me what you think about the closet.
The closet is decent. You know, I would actually prefer a bigger closet.
Bigger closet.
Yes.
The thing is, because I think this apartment is really about location and the views. You know, he's trying to basically get the size of every room to maximize. But you can't, you know, not every room is going to be perfect.
Yeah, exactly. You won't get everything that you want.
Exactly.
But I like
You know? But look at this. Maybe you can utilize this. This is an extra little closet right there.
Well, this is a closet?
Yeah.
Well, wow.
Yeah, maybe for your linens and your,
I'm impressed. I'm impressed by this size.
Yeah, with your linens and your towels and, you know.
Man, this is more than enough. I would say this is more than enough for my clothes, my shoes, and maybe put some, you know.
But this is not your personal closet. This is the master bedroom right here.
OMG!
The master bedroom. Take a look.
OMG!
The
Wait!
master bedroom. Yes.
I like the fact that I can walk out on my own personal balcony. Well, it could be a little bigger still because realize that the door, you know, is knocking against the railing right here.
Well, it's something to come out and just enjoy the breeze.
Yes.
But honestly, you're gonna love this apartment because, like I said, these apartments are for where you come in, you get to live, you sleep, you change your clothes, you take a shower, you know. When we go upstairs, you're gonna see the recreational area of how, if you really want outside space and, you know, and lifestyle. When we go upstairs to the roof, you're gonna appreciate these apartments even more. This address. But look at the bathroom. Look at the bathroom.
So around the same size as the other one, right? Yeah. I like it. I like the shower, by the way.
Yeah.
All right.
Go on.
I like what I'm seeing though.
Yes. Yes, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. And like I said, I know the first apartment we did was a lot bigger in size, a lot more space. So coming to something like this, you might say, oh, you know. But no, this apartment.
The other one was a penthouse still,
Is a penthouse,
so
yeah,
that's
of course.
understandable.
So, and the size was tremendously much larger than this.
Yes.
It's 2 bedrooms, 2 bathroom apartments, 1,200 square feet. They're going for 35 million Jamaican dollars.
35 million.
35 million Jamaican dollars.
That's not bad at all.
Not bad. In current market,
Yes.
not bad at all.
Some of the location and what I've been
What you're
seeing
seeing?
elsewhere.
Exactly.
Yes, so it's definitely
Exactly.
not a bad price.
All right. Let's go look at the penthouse now in the structure. There's 2 penthouses.
Let's go.
So this is the first of 2 penthouses. This is the first of 2 penthouses. 1,800 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, kitchen area as we walk in over here. Come on. Kitchen area with your wash area. Of the kitchen area right here.
So it's the kitchen area and the washroom.
Yeah, man. So, you know. Nice size.
Boy, we couldn't super rich.
Living slash dining area is a duplex as well. You have a bath of your living dining area in the penthouse.
Yeah. And this is the
I guess linen closet.
living closet.
Yeah. First bedroom
Yes.
with the balcony.
Let me see if it's the same size.
Yeah, it's the same size. Man.
I
Give
don't
it
know,
space to
man.
go
I would just
outside.
really prefer if the balcony was actually bigger, you know. Because if it were bigger, I would be able to put a chair right here and another chair right there, but the door is an intrusion where that's concerned.
Like I said, I think it's for, you know, something to step outside to smell the morning breeze right off your front.
Yeah.
You know, get up. But trust me, man, this apartment, a lot to offer. Look at the bathroom. Because it's a penthouse, the bathrooms are bigger.
Nice. Oh, nice. So right in here again, what I would do
Or maybe
is-
this could be the living closet and that could be a pantry.
True, true.
Yeah.
Yes, true. You're right. And right here could be
Your closet.
Yes,
That's your closet. That's because this is the bedroom.
Why? What is something like this? Closets right here is too small. I doesn't true it.
No, tell the truth, you know? Go.
Yeah.
Let's go upstairs. Duplex.
Let's see what upstairs has to offer.
Okay, so we come upstairs, there's a little sitting area right here.
Okay, so come upstairs.
There's a sitting area, maybe you can put some couches, you know?
Yeah.
Something to sit down and relax. You have 2 bedrooms up here. Both bedrooms have en-suites.
Bigger balcony.
Bigger balcony upstairs.
That's what I'm talking about.
Okay.
Yeah, man, this is what I'm talking about.
This is what you're talking about?
Yeah, man, have a little, maybe like around 3 chairs right here, and a table right here. You know,
Look at the Mona Reservoir.
Dwayne, I love it. I love it. Love it, man. And just imagine the December breeze.
Man.
Sipping wine and looking out.
Exactly. Oh man, I love this apartment.
And the mountain.
Yeah, man.
I don't know if you know this about me, Dwayne, but I love nature.
You love nature?
Yeah, man. You know, getting up in the morning and just looking at the mountain and, you know, looking at the sunrise.
Okay, well,
This is my type of vibe.
you're gonna get it because this stays in east.
What is it? I have to get it?
No, you're gonna get sunrise. You can get it if you want. Well, no, man, this is sold already.
Oh, this one is sold.
But yeah, but we can find you one. We can find you nice one. Come, let's look at the bedrooms. This is the first bedroom. Nice, cool vibe.
Yeah. Another closet? Yeah.
I would say the closets aren't that big, but
Well, you know, it may not be as big as you want it, but
Yeah.
you can make it
It
do
does,
something.
it does a good job.
All about how you utilize the space.
bathroom is nice though. Bathroom's a nice bathroom.
Indeed. No lights.
When the work ones are working, you can't really have power. They don't set it up.
Alright, let's look at the other room.
Let's look at the master bedroom.
And of course, the master bedroom has to be bigger. Huge closet again. This closet could
Yeah.
actually be a bedroom.
Okay.
Look
This bathroom is going to be huge. It's
Oh.
incomplete, but it's going to be huge. It's going to have a
Yes,
standing tub
incomplete,
and a shower.
yes.
Yeah, it's going to have a standing tub over here
Yeah.
and the shower right here.
Oh,
When I first looked at this master bathroom, I was like, man, again, I love this. I love this. I love the attention to detail he's putting in.
Let me do it. Mm-hmm. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. Person who buys this. Oh, it's already, oh yes, it says someone bought it. That person ought to be a happy person.
Funny story about this. See, this is the thing about real estate in Jamaica. I'm going to tell you a funny story. 9 months ago, I brought someone to look at this apartment. I can't tell you how much the penthouses are sold for because they were sold privately. And you know, people like privacy and finances. But this apartment was selling for a price. 7 months later, I brought the customers here to look at the apartment. I tell them, hey, the developer wants this price for this apartment. Buy it. It's worth it. You're gonna, as soon as you buy it, you're gonna make so much money off of it. But as far as you know, buyers, they want to argue and hustle and this and that. I'm saying, listen, this is my job. This is what I do every day. I know what the size and the location, what it's worth. I didn't buy it. 7 months later, this apartment sold for $9 million more than what the price I told them to buy it at the time. 7 months. Because you have certain developers, they like to either you don't go to the bank or they like to use their own money.
Yes.
So you have to know what developer at the time is building a project that to say, you know, let's sell 1 or 2 units at a discount so we can finish off the project. And that's what you get sometimes when you get with a realtor or you get with me. I try to keep my ears to the ground on these developments and who is building what at what time and what they need.
And trust me guys, he's a walking satellite. He knows everything.
Listen, I want to show you upstairs. Come on. Because this is what I really want to show you. Watch this. Okay guys, we're on the roof. This is the money shot. This is the value of this place and why you might overlook the size of the closets and certain things because this is what your recreational area in this facility, 2 York Castle, this is what it will look like. Let's take a look. Bar, wet area, entertainment area for friends, families when they come over. The roof is
Like you're in a hotel over here.
the roof is open to everyone. Let's take a walk around. Look at your views now when you're up on the roof.
Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my
Okay.
goodness. Look at all of this.
So can you see yourself working out, doing a workout here, some yoga,
Definitely.
you know? Bring your little weights and lift some weights up here, whatever it is you do.
So this recreational area
Yes.
serves everyone.
Serves all of the apartments.
all of the apartments.
All of the apartments.
Okay.
As this is served by this recreation.
And how many apartments are there?
10 units.
So 10 units.
10 units. So you're not talking about a lot of people. That's what it is. You know? Come on.
Love the view. Where do you call over that side?
That's Jack's Hills.
Oh, that's Jack's Hill.
Yeah. That's Jack's Hills right there. Old Pastures is right over here. Old Pastures. Mona, right over there with the Mona Reservoir. Long Mountain, over there. Beverly Hills, past that.
Yeah. Awesome.
Ligani, right before us.
And you made mention of a pool. The pool is.
Right there.
Oh, I passed the entrance. I didn't even notice.
Take your own first.
Okay.
Take your own first.
Setup is definitely like that for resort. Because I see a shower right there. So it's like
Yes.
you take a dip in the pool
Yes.
and then you want to wash off all that chlorine.
Yes.
Just jump right in the shower. I'm not wow. Decent sized pool.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. It's not something like, you know, when you have to worry about you and Your girl could be over there. Somebody else over there, somebody in their business.
Yeah.
You know? So does this make up for the closet size?
I would say a definite yes.
What do you think, guys? Does this make up for the closet size? Yeah, you're getting a little, the closets might be a little small, but this is your recreational space. When you come home from work, or when you get up early in the morning on a Saturday morning, after you go run up the hills and come back, dip in your pool, look at, look at the city.
Enjoy the view.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you think about this, guys? I'd love to hear your comment. I'd love to hear what you think in the comment section. Let me know. I won't lie, Dwayne. I'm really impressed. I know I've said this to you before, on several occasions where we looked at other apartments, whether it's online or even the penthouse the other day, that I'm impressed. But I don't know.
What?
There's so much. Every time I go to a new apartment, it's like I keep saying I'm impressed. It like keeps getting better.
This is Jamaica, like I'm telling everyone. This is Jamaica. Jamaica is a luxury item. The developers are treating it as such. The buyers are looking for these amenities. They're looking for these wow factors, and you have to give it to them. And this is where we're at.
Indeed, and this is a great investment too. If you don't want to live here,
Exactly.
you can buy it and
Exactly.
Airbnb,
Yeah,
rent
if
it.
you were to buy the 2-bedroom apartment, would you think you'd have a hard time renting this?
Absolutely not.
Okay.
I don't think so.
You would not have a hard time renting this place at all. You show people these stuff, the bar, the wet bar, everything.
The pool. There's a lot of things that would attract people.
Definitely.
So I say, get it, Dwayne.
Call the bunker. Call the bunker.
Should I get it, guys?
Call the bunker.
All right. All right. So refresh my mind. Not sure if you had said it before. How many apartments are available?
10 apartments in the units. 9 are sold already. Only one available. Only one left. The 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom is left. Everything
Only
else is
one
gone.
left.
Only one is left. 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. 35.5 mil. I know I said 35, but I forgot the half.
Yeah,
35 and a half.
35.5.
That is what's left.
All right.
Yeah, man.
And one penthouse.
Penthouses are gone. Penthouses were sold privately.
And I was thinking I'm gonna get in the penthouse now. All right, guys. So the penthouses are gone, and there's only one apartment left, which is the 2 bedrooms,
2 baths.
2 baths.
1,200 square feet.
Yeah, 1,200 square feet, and a lovely view.
And I love it.
And I said the price definitely isn't bad at all. Decent price. So there you have it, guys. You've seen the apartments, and I know for sure that you are impressed. So this apartment, guys, is located at 2 York Castle Drive, Kingston 6.
That's just Royal.
Castle Royal. Okay, so that will be the name of the apartment.
Yeah.
See here, guys? Castle Royal.
Mike, don't even tell me that one.
Yeah, man. So if you're interested in the 1 bedroom, not 1 bedroom, 2 bathrooms.
2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms.
Yes. Then, link up Dwayne. His contact details will be in the description. So don't be afraid to reach out to him, to get a tour and start the process of buying it.
Exactly.
But guys, as I said, I'm showing you these apartments just in case you're interested in buying it.
And we're also trying to show you the quality of the workmanship that's being taken, that's taking place here in Kingston. It's quality workmanship, it's beautiful architecture, and you're getting a finished product that can rival anywhere in the world. So, love it.
Well, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think about this apartment in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. Like the video, share the video, as usual.
Mediocre. Don't be mediocre. You want me to
As usual, don't be mediocre. I vow to never be mediocre. You should also vow to never be mediocre. See you guys on the next video.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail, and I'm losing your mind, and I'm losing